This is Rohan this side. What about you?
Which part are you in
Hello.
India? Which part are you in India?
I'm from Delhi and you?
Okay, what do you do? What do you do?
Well, I do nothing. What about? I do nothing. What about you?
I don't do anything. I'm unemployed. What's your qualification?
Okay, well, I'm done with your college and post graduation.
Okay, you have completed your post graduation, right?
Yeah.
Then you are an well educated unemployed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, are you born and raised in Delhi?
Yes. I'm born and brought up in Delhi.
Okay, how long have you been using this platform?
It's been around 3 4 months.
Okay, how did you know about this platform?
I just said I came across with this application, so I'm using this application.
Okay, then
Not
what's bring you
yeah.
this platform? What
What?
what brings you in this platform?
Well, I was feel horny, and I just came and just have fun, just to satisfy myself, and just have fun. That's it only. That's the only reason for being here.
Okay, how many languages do you know?
I know Hindi, English, only two.
Okay, apart from Delhi, have you visited different places within India?
Yeah, I have been visiting Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Jammu Kashmir, and yeah, and UP as well.
Okay, do you like traveling?
Yeah, I do like traveling.
Okay, and do you wanna go to
What about you?
pardon? Pardon?
What? Foreign?
Yeah, do you wanna go to abroad?
No, 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 no.
Mm-hmm.
Back there, I'm good in India. I love my country, so I do not want to.
Okay, you don't want to go to abroad, but you like India and you are here, right?
But I love to explore my.
But
Yeah, but I love to explore my country within Indian territory.
of course, definitely, definitely. If any youngster they think like you, then definitely our country will grow, right?
Yeah, okay. But tell me what you do. Where are you from?
I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. I don't do anything. I am also educated, unemployed like you. I want to enhance
Okay.
my English speaking. That's why I'm here. I have a long term and short term goal on my hands, and it relates with
Okay.
English language. That's why I want to communicate with people. I want to